Now, in a significant development in the Chandigarh mayoral polls, the BJP has defeated the Indy alliance. It is a significant setback for the Indy. The Congress-AAP coalition has lost the Chandigarh mayoral elections despite having 20 seats. The BJP secured the mayoral post, winning with 19 votes out of a total 35 councillors. So a big update there in regard with the Chandigarh mayoral polls where BJP has pulled it off. Lalit, my colleague, joins me live from Chandigarh on that. Lalit, the BJP has taken it away. They have defeated the Indy alliance. Please take over.
If we talk about, it's a big setback for the Indy alliance as they have a majority number of 20. But apart from that, the BJP easily won the MC elections by securing 19 votes. So two persons cross-voted. So it's a big setback before the Delhi elections. It's a big victory for the BJP. Republic TV is tracking each and every detail from the MC office from Chandigarh.
In a significant setback to the Indy alliance in regard with the Chandigarh mayoral polls, the BJP has swept the Chandigarh mayoral polls. The Congress-Aam Aadmi Party coalition has lost the mayoral polls despite having 20 votes. The BJP secured the mayoral post, winning with 19 votes out of a total of 35 councillors. So it's a big setback for the Indy alliance where they have lost the Chandigarh mayoral polls. The BJP has swept the polls with over 19 votes in their hand. This is out of the 35 councillors. It comes as a big setback to the Indy alliance in Chandigarh. We learn that the Bharatiya Janata Party has won the Chandigarh mayoral polls with over 20 seats. We have Lalit joining us live from Chandigarh on the same. Lalit, it's a big win for the BJP in regard with the Chandigarh mayoral polls. They have won with 19 votes. What are you picking up as far as the mayoral polls is concerned?
If we talk about the Chandigarh mayor polls results, it's a big setback for the Indy alliance as the Indy alliance has the majority number of 20. So but the BJP won the mayor polls by securing 19 votes. So three persons from the Indy alliance cross-voted. The total of BJP mayor polls reached to 19, while the Indy alliance reached to 17. So it's a big setback for the Indy alliance as BJP has won this poll. Apart from if you talk about the majority, as Aam Aadmi Party has a vote of 13 councillors, while Congress has 6 and 1 vote of the MP Manish Tiwari, who is the ex-officio member. But the BJP has a strength of 16. Around 3 to 4 days before, one councillor, Gurbaksh Rawat, who was a 3-time councillor from Congress, she joined BJP. So the total strength reached to 16. But
all right,
Lalit, BJP MLA.
Lalit, just stay with us because we're getting in more breaking news. We learned that 3 Indy alliance councillors had cross-voted, and that is how the BJP had won the mayoral elections. We learned that the victory came after a notable instance of cross-voting, which helped the BJP candidate Babla surpass the Aam Aadmi Party Congress Indy alliance, which managed to secure only 17 votes. So it was a tough battle. The BJP getting an edge there after 3 Indy alliance councillors had cross-voted, had given their votes to the BJP. Lalit continues to stay with me on the broadcast. Lalit, do we know names of these 3 people who had cross-voted from the Indy alliance to the BJP? Because that is what has given an edge to the BJP as far as the Chandigarh mayoral polls is concerned.
If you talk about the names are not unknown, are not known, but it was very clear as there was a clear infighting between the India alliance, and BJP was very much confident. As 3 days before, when Gurbaksh Rawat, the three-time councillor and who has been a AICC member and a former deputy mayor, joined BJP, apart from the fact that the India alliance has a majority, but still she joined BJP. That time it was very clear that something would be happening here, edge would be getting for the BJP. But this time, if you talk about the vote, the way it was casted, all 36 votes was valid. This time there was no confusion regarding that. All 36 votes were valid, apart from fact that a PIL was being filed in the Supreme Court regarding the Chandigarh mayor poll. So very clearly the instruction was being given by the Supreme Court that the whole mayoral polls should be videographed and CCTV cameras, everything should be installed. So a presiding officer was being nominated. Apart from that, a retired judge from Punjab and Haryana High Court was being also nominated as an observer who was looking after each and everything. So all 36 councillors polled and no vote was invalid. But BJP remained intact of 16 votes, but 3 councillors from the India Alliance, from the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party cross-voted in favour of the BJP mayor candidate Harpreet Kaur Babla, and she secured 19 votes. So the majority mark was 19, which they swept easily. So it's a big setback for the India Alliance, and it's a big boost for the BJP before the Delhi Vidhan Sabha elections, as these elections were being taken as a semi-final before the Delhi election. So it's a big setback for the India Alliance and a big boost for the